Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do facial at home with this VLCC anti-tan facial kit. This facial kit comes under a combo pack like this. Inside this combo pack, you can get 5 facial kits like this, and it costs 750 rupees. With special offer, it comes under 600 rupees. But from Nykaa, in an offer, I got this one for 563 rupees. Yes. For every facial kit we are paying only 112 rupees. Means it's quite more affordable, right? If from any salon you will not get a facial service with 100 and around 150 rupees, right? So if you are someone who don't want to waste your money in salons, you can try this one. It claims that it removes impurities and tan, and also it repairs your damaged and dull skin, also lightens your skin tone, and the major thing is it is for all skin type. It's a 6-step facial kit. So I'm going to open this and let's see how the sachets can. Yeah, the sachet something like looks this contains, and they have with their own identification number, so it is quite easy to use them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is the 6th step. The disadvantage is once opened you cannot save it for later. You have to use it at once, because if you are saving this one, the products will get dry, because they can sachets like this, and you cannot save this one for later. Instructions and ingredients details you can get from the back side of this pack. Even you can get that from this cardboard pack as well, and how to use the individual pack also written here, so there will not be any confusion while using this facial kit. So without wasting time, let's get started with the facial. The step 1 includes cleanser cum toner. It deeply cleanses your skin, minimizes the pore, and make your skin ready for facial. To use this one, apply this VLCC Comfrey Cleanser cum Toner on your face and neck. Massage in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, and then wipe off with moist cotton or with a microfiber towel. The step 2 is a scrub. This powder-based scrub enriched with oatmeal, which helps in exfoliating the skin and gently removes the blackheads and white patches. To use this one, mix this powder with water till it becomes a smooth paste. Then apply evenly on wet face. Keep it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then massage the skin gently with wet fingertips and wipe off with cotton, or you can rinse off. The step 3 is the Melawhite gel. This Melawhite gel enriched with cucumber and aloe vera, which helps to break down dead cells and reduces suntan while keeping the skin soft and hydrated. To use this one, apply this gel on entire face and neck area. Massage in a circular and outward strokes using your fingertips, and do not wipe it off. In step 4, you will get a pista massage cream. This is a multi-action cream with the goodness of pista and nutmeg, which gives your skin a cellular protection and a youthful glow. And the smell is amazing. To use this one, apply it generously on skin and massage it for 10 to 15 minutes over your face and neck with light circular upward motion. Now it's time for the fifth step, which is a face pack. This pack has winter cherry and aloe vera extracts, which brightens, lightens and even out dull, patchy and damaged skin. To use this one, add few drops of water into it to make a creamy consistency. Then take this pack and apply a thicker layer on face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Leave it for maximum 15 minutes. And wipe off with moist cotton, or you can rinse off thoroughly. It's time for sixth and last step, which is a post-facial moisturizing gel, which helps to moisturize your skin and protects from harmful UV rays. To use this one, apply evenly on the face and neck post-facial and leave it as it is. So the facial is done, but I would like to suggest you wait for several hours before applying makeup, because all that scrubbing can make your skin feel sensitive. And the makeup products also contain chemicals which can irritate your skin. So it's best to wait for a few hours before applying any kind of makeup or skincare products. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.